still in one piece.
Now let me come over here and get a...
Man, that was a tough son of a gun.
This comes off and hits me, you're in trouble. Now you got it.
Yeah, I think I destroyed it.